See, understand, if you see all over India, generally you find all metro cities, whether it's Bangalore, Bombay, Calcutta, from hinterland, due to various reasons, people do flock to these cities. So children also many times in kind of a job or in distance, they do run to the bigger cities. So here also you find pattern, northern Karnataka and those areas, they are running towards more Bangalore basically.
What we have seen specifically in Bangalore, Hubli, Mysore, that there are many cases of child trafficking that are taking place where children are being trafficked from less developed parts of the country to Bangalore, Hubli and Mysore for specific reasons being bonded labor, organ trade, prostitution, flesh trade, labor for in brick kilns and other factories nearby. When we started the operation, we collaborated with various law enforcement agencies as well as NGOs like International Justice Mission, who helped us understand what is the angle of trafficking in the entire scenario of a child being moved from place A to place B. There have been many cases where children are daily rescued from railway stations, and we are thankful to NGOs like IG-cum who actually train our dedicated team to identify what are the signs of trafficking. That is, what is the signs of, or behavioral analysis is done of what are the signs of a child who is trafficked or a victim, how is the victim behavior that is to be spotted in the entire crowd of the railway station, and also we understand what are the signs of a person who is a trafficker. Thankfully, in the last 2.5 years, we've been able to rescue 2,300 and above children from the railway premises in Southwestern Railway, and Operation Nanhe Fariste have garnered a lot of support from the society. What we feel that we need to now leverage a lot of technology into it, where we can also, which will act as a force multiplier for us, but also human resource in terms of passengers who are traveling in the trains. So it is, I feel, the responsibility of not only agencies like RPF or NGOs like IG-cum, but the entire society to come forward and inform either on 100 for police or 182, which is the toll-free helpline number or the security helpline of RPF, about any kind of suspicious movement of children or women or any group in the trains or in the railway premises, so that proactive action can be taken.
This is an awareness program on World Day Against Trafficking in Persons.
Stop human trafficking! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop human trafficking! Stop human trafficking!
To stop human trafficking, it is not only the duty of the people in uniform, it is the duty of every citizens of this country.
ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಜನರಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ನೋಸ್. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದರೆ ಓ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಿಂಗಾ ಅಂತ.
There has to be awareness among the people in order for this to actually take place. Yeah? So people need to be aware, and as someone was telling before me, that most of the trafficking can be only stopped in railway areas, because that's where most of the victims are trafficked through. The railways is a key hub. So if people in the railway who travel by the train, who are in and around the place, are aware of this, then I think we can reduce it to a great extent.
Human trafficking is the third largest criminal problem that faces us. It's not just a problem of a few people, but it's humanity's problem. It is the world's problem. And it's our little contribution working with the RPF here, who are actively seeking to stop human trafficking, especially through their project Nanhe Fariste, where they are seeking to stop the trafficking of children. They work in different stations across South India, and we've been collaborating with them. IG-cum works with such situations, works with the government to set people free.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಚಂದ್ರಮ್ಮ. ನಾವು ಜೀತ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉರಿ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾಗಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಜೀತ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ ಇರೋರನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಹದೇಶ್. ನಾನು 24 ವರ್ಷ ಜೀತ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಿ. ನಮ್ಮಂಥ ಜನರು ಬಡವರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೀವದ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣಗಿರಿಯಿಂದ.
Human trafficking! Human trafficking!